Did you know the average American is carrying nearly $100,000 in debt? It's crazy. Our education system teaches us calculus, but it fails to teach us how to actually manage our money. The result? We spend our most valuable years, our 20s and 30s, making mistakes that keep us broke for a lifetime. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 massive financial traps you're probably falling into right now. Watch until the end, because mistake number 5 will completely shift your mindset. Mistake number 1 is lifestyle inflation, also known as the silent assassin. Let's say you get a promotion or a raise. What's the first thing you do? Most people upgrade to a luxury apartment or buy a brand new car. This is called spending at the pace of your income. Why it's deadly? Because your wealth isn't growing, only your expenses are. The solution? Even if your income increases, try to keep your old lifestyle for at least 2 more years. Direct that extra cash straight into investments. In the US market, credit cards are a double-edged sword. We get lured in by cash back and points, then start buying things we don't even need. The trap? Making only the minimum payment. If you only pay the minimum, that $1,000 laptop could end up costing you $3,000 after interest. The pro tip? Use your credit card like a debit card. If you buy it, pay it off in full by the end of the month, period. The biggest mistake is thinking, I'll start investing later. I want to enjoy my life now. Let's look at the math. If you invest $100 a month starting at age 20, you could have over $1.2 million by age 65. But if you wait until age 30, you'll likely end up with only $400,000 or $500,000. That 10-year delay just cost you nearly $800,000. That is the brutal reality of the time value of money. Nearly 60% of Americans can't cover a surprise $400 expense. They are living paycheck to paycheck, right on the edge. The danger? A medical emergency or a sudden job loss can spiral you into high-interest debt that takes years to escape. The goal? Build a safety net. Keep at least 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. It's not just money, it's peace of mind. And finally, the biggest mistake of all, not investing in your own financial education. We spend tens of thousands on college degrees, but won't spend $20 on a finance book or a course. The message? Learn the rules of the game. Understand the stock market, real estate, and the tax system. In the long run, knowledge provides the highest return on investment. Your 20s and 30s are your greatest leverage. Don't waste them making these avoidable mistakes. If you want me to do a deep dive on any of these points, type deep dive in the comments below. And if you're ready to build your wealth, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.